Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how you can get involved with live stream mining. So if you don't know what live stream mining is, it basically means whenever you go live on something like TikTok or Twitch or one of these live streaming platforms that we support, you will be able to mine your stream. What that means is you will mine crypto, so you'll be able to earn crypto rewards just by being live on TikTok or on Twitch. It's that simple. Nothing else to it. I'm going to explain how it's done, what's required, and this video actually assumes that you already have a Phantom wallet installed, so you must have some kind of crypto knowledge. Now, if you have your Phantom wallet installed and set up on your Google Chrome browser, you will see something that looks like this. Okay, so in my wallet here, I have $46.78, but more importantly, I have Solana, and I also have Livecoin. So those are the two required coins that you actually need in order for you to get started mining your own live stream. So let's go over what the process is. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to mining.lcot.live. So visit that website. It's https://mining.lcot.live. And once you land here, you're going to see a page that looks something like this. Or at least that's what it looks like as of today, which is February 25th, 2025. And once you see this page, you'll be able to click where it says select wallet on the top right. This is going to initiate a connection to your Phantom wallet as long as you have the Phantom wallet Chrome browser extension installed. So I'm going to click here. And when I click there, it appears that nothing happened, but now it says connect on the top right. So before it said select wallet, now it says connect. So if I click connect, now it's asking me to sign a message. So once I press confirm, I basically authenticated to the live stream mining platform itself. Now here you're going to notice that we have a number of different things. On the top right, it's showing up a version number of the software, no tier activated, and then a disconnect button. Over here, it shows the balance of LCOT that we have. So this is the LCOT token balance. This is what it's worth in US dollars at the moment. And it's telling us we have an inactive tier. Here's our wallet address and then our time zone. So it's by default, it's set to UTC time zone. If I want to change it to my time zone, I have to type in EST because I am in the Eastern time zone, or ET, doesn't matter. And I see it says Eastern Standard up here. So I click that. Now I configured my time zone. Very simple, very straightforward. Now, if we scroll down a bit, we're going to see it says mining rewards and mining controls. So right now we don't have any mining rewards because we haven't actually mined any LCOT. Now, if we click on, if we see the mining controls section over here, we're able to click on tier 1 and tier 2. We cannot afford tier 3 all the way to tier 9 because we only hold 11,000 LCOT in this wallet that is connected to this platform. So that means that we're able to basically be a part of tier 1 or tier 2. Now let's say tier 2, which requires 10,000 LCOT to join. I wanted to activate this one, so I'm going to click on activate tier 2. It's going to open up my Phantom wallet, and it's going to say I need this much Solana for the gas fees. So these are basically the network fees or the transaction fees. And then it has a 10,000 LCOT that it's going to remove from my wallet, and it's going to store that inside of a smart contract. So think of it as a CD account if you are talking in terms of a bank. So you lock your money into this CD account, and whenever you want to withdraw it, you would have to deactivate the tier. So here I'm going to hit confirm, and by me clicking confirm, what's happening is it's making a transaction on the back end, through the blockchain. It's doing a bunch of things under the hood, and we simply have to wait until this confirming actually becomes confirmed. So just give it a moment and we'll see what happens shortly. Now, sometimes these things do take a bit of time depending on how much congestion there is in the blockchain. But as you can see, now it says deactivate tier 2. That's how you know that you are activated, because it allows you to deactivate now. Okay. So what this means is now that you have an active tier, you see how everything says only one tier can be active at a time? That's because your tier is now officially active. So if I wanted to start mining, I would scroll down past the mining calculator, come down where it says stream setup. And the first thing I have to do is I have to select the platform that I want to interact with. Now, let's say I wanted to mine on TikTok. I would have to type in my TikTok username here, and let's just go ahead and do that. And then I would have to click generate code. Now, when I hit generate code, we get a series of steps here. So step 1, it's asking us to add our browser extension to the Chrome browser. Okay, so in order for us to do that, what we're gonna have to do is click here, and then you'll see that, well, right now it says remove from Chrome. And the reason it says that is because I already have the extension installed, so I don't need to install it again, right? But in your case, it's going to say add to Chrome. Once we have this code that it generated for us, we basically have to open up our TikTok. I did that over here, and what we're going to see is it says edit profile. So in this profile that I need to edit, I'm going to have to paste the code. So just copy and paste the code into my bio, press save. And then we wait until this reloads and I'm able to actually see the code in the bio. So you see how it says the code is here? And down here, there's a button that says verify live stream mining account. We simply have to click on this button, and then it says verification successful. And then I press OK. Now you should see that it says verified live stream miner. That's simple, nothing crazy. If you want to, update this, put back whatever you had before. So in my case, I said I am Jamie. That's what I had. I'm going to save that. You can definitely do that. No issues with you doing that. So that's basically the verification process, right? So now I'm going to close out of this, close out of that. And then over here, it's basically just telling us, okay, once you've finished verifying your account, only thing you have to do is disconnect and then reconnect. So here I'm selecting my wallet, connecting, and confirming. Once I scroll down, I'll notice that it says verified. So it says my my TikTok username, crypto exclusive, and then it says verified. So if I go live on TikTok, for instance, all I have to do is press connect, and then right now it says live ended because I'm not actually live on TikTok. But if I was live on TikTok, all I have to do is press connect, and then it'll literally just begin mining my stream. It's that simple. It's nothing crazy complicated. It's just going to show me a bunch of numbers, a bunch of data saying, hey, you are mining your stream. So I'll show you that in a second. But for now, that's how you get verified with TikTok. Now, for something like Twitch is slightly different, but very similar. So all you have to do is enter your Twitch username over here. So in my case, I don't want to reveal my Twitch username because I use that privately. But in your case, you can just simply enter your username, press the connect with Twitch button, and then you should see a button that says start mining. That simple. As long as you're live, you will be able to mine your stream. If you are not actually physically live streaming on TikTok or Twitch or whatever platform you choose, then you're not going to be able to mine your stream. So it's actually pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Once you finish mining your stream and you disconnect, there's going to be an available amount of rewards here. So you should be able to press the collect rewards button, and then you'll be able to collect your rewards. It's nothing crazy. It's actually pretty straightforward. Now, one thing that I did want to, let you guys know is, as you see right here, 1,000 LCOT is what's in my wallet at the moment. Now, if you remember, I originally had 11,000, but because we activated this tier and it costed us 10,000 LCOT, we only see 1,000 here. If we press deactivate tier, it's going to return the the 11,000 LCOT total. But basically what that means is I will no longer be able to mine my stream. So in order for me to mine my stream, I'm going to have to activate my tier and keep it active at all times. Now, the beauty of this is as you keep it active, every 10 days that passes, your tier, you see how it says base rate? The base rate is going to double. So it's going to double and double and double until it reaches a maximum amount that it will double to. So let's just say you were on this tier 9, which is the highest tier. It requires 1 million LCOT for you to be a part of that, but it allows you to double your mining tier, your rate, every single 10 days that passes, as long as you do not deactivate your tier, that is. Now, when it doubles, that just means you're getting a pay raise. So think of it as if you have a job and then you get a pay increase, right? That's what's happening every single 10 days that your coins are locked in the smart contract. Now, if you do deactivate the tier, you get your coins back, but everything starts all over again. So you would have to continue to hold it for 10 days. The next time you activate, and then it's going to double. Hold it for another 10 days, it'll double again, and so forth, until it reaches the maximum rate that it can actually go up to, and it will no longer double from that point forward, but you will be earning a solid amount of, as far as the rate goes, just for mining your stream. So it's a pretty cool concept, and it's pretty simple and straightforward. Now, that's basically how you get involved with the live stream mining. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial here, and I hope you guys start mining your stream, because you know what? If you continue to mine your stream, sure, the value of LCOT is not worth as much at the moment, but the time is going to pass. And when this time passes and the more LCOT grows, if it does grow in value, now imagine what would happen if LCOT became worth $1 or $2 or whatever, other currencies are worth nowadays, right? If it was worth $1, all of those earnings that you mined are going to be very, very profitable for you. So it's definitely worth doing, especially if it's something that you guys already do. So let's say you're already into playing video games. All you got to do is just stream it on Twitch, right? And once you're streaming, start mining. Now, if you're already somebody who goes live on TikTok, you know what? Start going live on TikTok and earn some crypto while you do it. It's not going to hurt you to actually invest in yourself. That's just my opinion on this, because let me just tell you something. I'm going to be very, very blunt and very frank, okay? If LCOT's value goes down, you're not going to earn. You're really not going to earn much. However, if the value of this LCOT token decides to go up, so again, let's think of it as, if it's worth $1, for instance, everything that you have mined is going to be worth a lot of money. Okay, so that's basically how this works. It's all dependent on the value of the coin. Now, at this time of recording, it's really not, crazy for you to get into tier 1, 2, 3, even all the way up to tier 9, right? Tier 9 is 1 million LCOT, but LCOT is worth a fraction of a penny at this point in time. Now, imagine when it becomes worth $1 and you're making $64 an hour, right? Just so that you can play video games on Twitch or, go live on TikTok and do what you already do. It's a no-brainer, right? It's worth it. I'd say definitely do it if this is something that interests you. If not, that's perfectly fine. It's not for everyone, but it is a cool concept, and it's something that may or may not pay off in the future. There's no telling what it's going to do. But I'd say whoever is mining and they're doing it with consistency, as time passes, if they get, if this coin gets to $1, well, they're going to be pretty profitable. I'll tell you that. Anyway, that's it. I'm going off on a rant here, so I will, I'll make another video shortly explaining to the newbies who don't know how to get a Phantom wallet, how to get involved with that. As always, thank you for being a part of the LCOT community. Thank you for your interest in live stream mining. I hope to see you guys soon. Happy mining.